Let's find the second derivative of the given function. Kind of have a lot going on here, so let's rewrite it to make it a little bit easier to work with. F of x is equal to, well, if this is in the denominator, well, first of all, if it's a square root, remember that could also be written as the 1/2 power, right? That's the 1/2 power. So what I'll do is write this as 6x plus x to the fourth raised to the negative 1/2 power. Why negative? Well, because it's in the denominator, right? So here we go. Now I'm going to treat this like x to the negative 1/2 power. I would use the power rule in that case. So the derivative would start off looking like the power rule. Bring down the negative 1/2, leave the inside piece alone, subtract 1 from the exponent. Ooh, it's negative 1/2 minus 1. That's negative 1/2 minus, negative 1/2 minus 2 over 2. That's negative 3 over 2. Times, right? So the chain rule, times the derivative of the inside, right? The derivative of 6x plus x to the fourth. Okay, well, that's going to be 6 plus 4x to the third. Okay. Yeah, we'll deal with that. Now let's go ahead and try to decide how we want to finish this problem. Probably just use the quotient rule again. I'm sorry, the product rule. Since I definitely see a product here, this times that. So, the product rule says derivative of the first. Okay, chain rule again. Negative 3 over 2 times the negative 1/2 would give me positive 3 over 4. 6x plus x to the fourth. Subtracting 1 from the exponent. Okay, so if you subtract 2 over 2 from negative 3 over 2, you get negative 5 over 2. Times the derivative of the inside, which is 6 plus 4x to the third. Okay, all of that is just the first part of the product rule. Okay, so that's the derivative of the first times the second. Plus the first times the derivative of the second. Derivative of 6 plus 4x cubed is 12x squared. Okay, and that's probably simplified far enough. So there we go.